Okay, here's the after of the after. After we repaired the drainage problem by installing the French drains and connecting the downspouts, here is the results. This is some months after doing that repair, and you can see how well the grass that we installed has taken, and you can see how happy everything is, obviously, because it's no longer drowning in water. This is the after of the after. Many times I take the photos after I'm done doing the work, but a lot of people are always curious about how everything looks long term. And so now this is several months later, and you can see how well the grass is taken, and you can see how healthy and happy this whole back lawn is now that the problem has been resolved. FloridaProLawnCare.com.